Now we have already created and separated every portion from here. So the next will be creating. We don't need this one for now. We need to close it, and we go to login. Now here I wanted to make this one more cool and indentation. Take back here. Save. Yep. You see, the name for this one is username. The name for password is password here. So the name for button will be login. So we need to make some test. PHP, let's work over here. PHP if is set post login. If is set post login, let's echo something. Save and come here, refresh, then click button. So the button is completely working. So we need to say this one username is equals to post username, password is equals to post password. Then we have already made this. Let's test something like whether the field is empty or not. So let me cut this one, take on the upper side to display some error on the upper. Don't need to display on the bottom. So here, if not empty, username or not empty password, do something else. Let's say echo error empty fields. So save. Come here, refresh, click, says error empty fields, but this is not more cool, so we need to make it more cool. Get some let's do like let's give for variable error equals to please fill all the fields. Now in here PHP, let's give a class for this one. Class, we're going to play me say 2 class if is set error. If is set error will be this value. If this value is set, so if is set error, we will display the error. In here PHP, we don't need PHP, just paragraph. See paragraph, then class alert danger, then PHP echo error. Save. Let me close this one. Yeah. Save. Everything is okay. Now come back to here and refresh. Click again. You see? Please fill all the fields. If you fill some value, what will happen? Nothing. Because nothing is entered here. Let's say echo username. Save. Where you come back here, refresh, and enter something value.